This is EyeTea Jonny here on Talk Tech, and it's time to continue our Python learning. We've already done hello world, variables and types, lists, and basic operators. Now we're going to get into string formatting. Um, so let's get started. So with this, we're going to be listening to some chill, relaxing music while we learn Python. You can follow along. I'm using learnpython.org. Again, that's learnpython.org. You can go to the description. It should be in there. And let's just hope we don't get copyright strike and get the video taken down. Because we're just streaming some music while we listen to this. So let's get started. Let me go and bring up the all right, it's already up. So as you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. So learn the basics. Just go to that website and you can follow along with me. So let's get started. Oh, first off, got to put the headphones on so we can hear the music. And get ready. Now we ready. All right, so let me bring up this music. All right, let's go, people. So we're going to start on string formatting. Okay, again, just go to learnpython.org, and I'll be in the string formatting. And we might go to another section as well after this, but we'll see how long it takes to do this. Or we might do another video after this with another back-to-back. We'll see. So yeah, I'm not going to talk that much. Well, I say that every time, but you know how it is. All right, let's see what we got. Python uses C-style string formatting. I'm not going to read everything, so you can, of course, read along or just read what's on the screen. Again, we're all learning, so let's just go. Oh yeah, let me make sure we can hear it good before I get started. All right. All right, so what we got here is what I'm learning is that with the percent sign, with the S or D, you can call a variable that you had called out, obviously that you made, and within that um, print statement, or I guess whatever you're calling it in, you could then use a percent sign after and then call that specific variable, or to replace the percent sign with what you name that variable, as you can see here. I probably I probably butchered that, but that's what I'm getting out of it. Best way I could explain it. So we just run it, and hello, John. So of course we can do something else like we like to do on here. We like to test out. So we can do name, or not name, but let's say I like to do IT. IT equals Johnny, right? So then we do, get this out the way a little more. Print. Guess that don't matter. Print. I am IT percent S, then that, and then percent IT, right? Oh no, I forgot. Boom, there we go. Yep, I am EyeaTeah Jonny. Now I wonder if we have to put, I saw a D. I wonder what a D does. Okay, so obviously S is for string, okay, and D is for a number, integer. Okay, I don't know why it's a D, but S is for a string and the D is for a number. So if we change this to 99, then I guess, if it's 99, we don't need this because then it won't be a string or number. There we go. If we do that. Okay, so D is for, digit. I guess digit, right? Digit. So D is for digit or number. 9-digit number, or just digital number, or whatever. Anyway, so D is for number and S is for string. So, okay. So we got that in the bag, people. Let's go down to the next section. Oh, the music stopped. What's going on? There we go. I think we might have heard this on one of the last videos. We might skip this. All right, we'll just go with it. It don't matter. All right. Any object which is not a string can be formatted using the S operator as well. The string which returns from the RPR method of that object is formatted as the string. What is R? Let's Google this real quick. Remember last time, All right, let's look this up further, people. I'm kind of confused here. str and rpr both are used to get a string representation of object. Print strs, print str. Okay. All right, camera cut off. Should be coming back on though. Let's make sure it's good. I'll keep an eye on it. It's lagging behind right now, but we'll see. All right, it's off now. All right, it's back on. All right, so okay, I see what it means now. So what it's saying is, if you use str, it puts stuff in there, but it doesn't capture, you know, the quotes, single quotes, as you can see here. But if you put I'm just called Reaper, put the Reaper, it includes the quotes and the number. Oh, and the number, it includes like the full bad boy, you know, the whole actual. We can see if we print. Yeah, so it's more precise if you use the Reaper. Okay, so saying the STR is mainly for output for end users, and Reaper is for debugging and development. You know, so okay, that's cool. We got that understood now, people. So it's good when we find stuff out, we learning. Let's continue. Let's keep that in the brain. I should probably make a note of that, but I think I can remember that. 5 minutes later, what was that thing again? All right, let's go. Oh, I forgot. I've been forgetting to say who's playing. This song is by Matthew Whitaker, Tranquility. I should probably say the name of the song first and then who it's by. So this is Tranquility by Matthew Whitaker. Yeah, that's better. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, so if you're going to call something that's not a string, it's going to return the Reaper instead of just the actual string like a str. So like here we got my list 1, 2, 3 in the list, and we're calling it with the %s, my list, and then it gives us the actual list box with 1, 2, 3 in there. So let's see what happens if we just do, my num equals, well, let's see. Tonight was something new, and I know you felt it too when we fell into the passion of a kiss. I guess I can't do what I was about to try to do. We've shared these roads together. Every journey is grand. I mean, I guess I could. This just, I mean, I know this is gonna work, I guess. Print any number %s. Yeah. Oh, I already got that. Percent. What did I say? My number. My num. I guess this is just. So 30. But let's see. Oh man. I need to hold on, I need to find out. I need to test something out, people. Give me a second. I need to find that. Okay, here we go. Reaper method. I just want to find that. Yeah, here we go. I just want to see what this returns when we do the. I just want to see what this returns, that equation, when we put it in here and try to call it with the s percent s. All right, let's see. Okay, so that's what it is. So if we're gonna call a number or anything that's not a string with the percent s, then we're gonna get the more precise, like it says right here. Yeah, we get the more precise value when we print the percent s when it's something not going towards a string. But I guess if we do this with the d, actually let's do this. Let's create these the same, but create my num 2. I guess that don't matter. We'll just make this a d and see. Let's see what we get when we change it to a d. There we have it, folks. So when we do it actually as an actual digit, it's not gonna give us the more precise. It's not gonna return a precise answer. When we do it with the string, it's going to give us the precise. This is with the string or with the percent s. This is with the percent d. So percent d would just give us, the basic information, return the basic information that the user is going to care about, really. And the 0, that's all they care about, right? At least, of course, I'm guessing it's like scientific, some data or something like that. You might want the more precise stuff, but I guess it depends. Obviously, for debugging and developing, you're gonna want precise stuff. But anyways, we see what it does, people. So we're good. Let's continue. That's what it's all about. Learning while we relaxing, chilling, and feeling good about figuring stuff out. Let's go. So here are some basic argument specifiers you should know. Oh, now we gotta do some reading, people. Gosh dang it. Okay, so F is for floating point number. So we got S, percent D, and percent F. Percent period. Okay, so you could do a percent period and then put a number in there, F, to represent how many floating points of a floating point number, or how many digits of a floating point number do you want to include in the call out of a variable. So I think I got that right. That's what that does. And percent X / percent capital X integers in the hex representation, lower uppercase. Okay, let's try this out real quick, people. Let's try floating point numbers. Let's try floating point numbers and calling out how many numbers we want after the digits. And let's try hex. So let's go back up to our spot where we were just at and let's try it out, right? I mean, why not? I know there's a section below, but no need to try that right now. So let's just try my number again. What we're gonna try floating point number. So let's just try 33.99, right? What happens if we do this? I mean, it returns that, so I mean. Well, of course it returns it because remember when we do a string or percent %s, it's going to return the more precise. So 33.99 is going to be precise, right? But when we do it with the D, it's going to just return what we need, the basic information, which would be 33, not the 0.99. So when we run that, all we see is 33. We don't see the point whatever. Wait, what was it when it was an S? Okay, yeah. So let's see what it say. Percent dot whatever we want F. Oh, let's put F in. I don't think I did F yet. Okay, so for floating point, we do 33.99. It gives us the floating point plus the zeros afterwards. So that's the floating point. Gives us the, I don't see why we need the zeros after it, but whatever. Let's try this though. 33, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's, I guess in Python, I'm not good in math and all that, so I don't know if the zeros mean anything, but if we don't put, if it's just like a, let me try this real quick before I say something. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What if I just put 33.0? So regardless, whatever you do, if you put 33.0 or 33.9 or 33.99 or 33.85 or 858, whatever it is, whenever you create a floating point, Python automatically puts or appends 5 zeros afterwards. Or yeah, or it appends whatever, how many zeros it needs to make sure it's 6 total digits after the decimal, including whatever you have already. So that's what it's going to happen. But we know we can try. Let's try 6, right? Let's try 0, 8, 8. Oh, I'm not on 0, 9, 0, 9, 9. How many is that? One more, right? 4. 1, 2, 3. So that's 6. But now we know we can do percent dot number of digits F. Let's take away 3, right? So let's go here. Percent dot 3F. Let's go, people. Let's see if we gonna figure this out before we move forward. Let's go. Bam, we figured it out, people. We geniuses in this bad boy. But let me test something out. Let me test one more thing out. Let's do it with just, I actually want to see what happens if we put 33 point. Oh, that's right. I remember this song. So we just figured out 2 in one try. I wonder if you just put that. Oh, interest. Oh, because there's nothing. So if you put 33% dot F with no number, it just takes away all the decimals. But if we put just 33 dot and then put like 2, it's gonna take away 2 of the digits. Oh, okay. I was wrong, people. So when you put the number, that's how many you want to include, not how many it takes away. So I was mistaken. But we figured it out right here, people. So I was about to get some wrong information. I did, but we found it and we figured it out. So now we get double thumbs up. This sounds like one of the songs where you're like, this is the end of the world. This is the last push to survival. We on the last push to learning. We don't get it here, it's over. We finished. All right, so we figured out, people. So we got it wrong at first, but we corrected ourselves. So we do need, let me try this again, people. Let me try this again. All right, so let's just make some numbers up. Let's do this, make it simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we're gonna do that, make it simple. So if we take away, let's say 5, is it the first 5? That's what it is, people. I was wrong. So it's the whatever number you put there, percent, dot, number, F. Let's go down so we can see. So whatever we put here, percent, dot, percent, dot, the number of digits, and then F. F's representing a floating point. We want it to be a floating point. Then the number says how many we want to keep, not take away. So we got that figured out, people. So that's good. So let's move to the next. Oh, and this song is by, well, this song is The Colors That You Bring by Damon Locks and Black Monument and Symbol. Let's continue. Oh, we still got one more. We got to do hexadecimal. So, percent lowercase x / percent capital X. So let's do another one. Let's see. All right. My hex, right, equals, I don't know. I do know hexadecimal, but I 8. No, let's do this. 2 A 3 5 9 D I don't know. 2. Oh, what the heck just happened? I didn't mean to copy that. Alright, we're just gonna put my hex. And we have to do, what did it say? Percent small x / percent capital X. So let's see. But before we do that, let's see what we get when we just do like a D. That should fail. Wait, hold on, let me copy that. I don't feel like typing that in again. Alright. Invalid syntax. It ain't right. What you doing, fool? Make sure I spelled everything right. Okay. Wait, what? I didn't put that there. Percent D. I didn't think. Okay. There you go. Percent S. Nope. Obviously, percent F ain't gonna work, but let's see. Nope. All right, let's see if this will work. Whoa, what? Oh shoot. Okay. So okay, I got it. I guess we have to make them all lowercase, or either lowercase or uppercase. Let's do that. All right, let's see. So it's either capital X or lowercase x. Okay. No, that's still wrong. So maybe I'm not reading this one right. I'm thinking of MAC addresses. I'm thinking of trying to put a MAC address. So let's redo this. All right. What is that? A should be 10. So let's just try A. Let's do lowercase a. What do you mean it's not defined? I just defined it. What's that? Okay, we might have to Google this one. Let's see what we got. Let's figure this one out, people. Where's the dang tutorial at? We kind of stuck right here, people. Oh. We might have to do a separate video for this one because I can't find out what's going on with this one. Because I don't see where they. Okay, let me go somewhere else. You know, let me take this out. Let's type Python. We're gonna figure this out, people. We gotta figure this out before we move on. Okay, here we go. Sign, hexadecimal, alternate form, causes leading. I just want a hexadecimal example. All right, here we go. I don't know if we have to put this in parentheses or not. I'm kind of confused on that part. I keep getting invalid syntax. Wow, what is A? What are they talking? Wait, what? Okay, there we go. Yeah. Oh, okay. I see what it means now. Okay. It doesn't mean put in a hex. I'm thinking of like a hexadecimal number in MAC address format. I'm IT, you know, whatever. So I'm conflating the two. It just means put in a number, and if you want to return the hexadecimal value of that number, put this in. Okay, we got it now, people. We were thinking wrong. I was thinking wrong. Let's see what the capital do, though. If it's just... Okay. I understand now. I'm up here thinking hexadecimal IP format. I mean, MAC address. Or IP, don't matter. You can have them both. But, so I was thinking of, I could put this in hex on here to a F0. I was thinking, I could do this right here, call this, and it'll transfer it to an actual number. But it's the opposite way around. Or just call this as a hex, put it in here, and it will call that hex, you know. But okay, we got it now. We got it now, people. We know what it means. Put the real number in right here, and it returns the hex. That's actually pretty cool. I didn't know we could do that simple. I might have to run some code for some networking stuff now, or some simple like MAC address lookup thing. Okay, that's pretty interesting. I didn't know that was that simple to do that. Okay, that's actually some valuable information right there I could take with me, and use tomorrow. That's pretty cool. That's actually very cool. I like that. Okay, so we got that done, people. We got the percent D, or we got percent S understood. We have percent D understood. We have percent F understood. We have percent dot whatever digit you want F understood, and now we have percent lowercase x and percent capital X understood. We are good to go. Let's go to this exercise and figure out what we got to do. We're almost done with this one though, people, and we should be good for the day. Or I might do another one and upload it later today, but we'll see. All right, let's see what this exercise got for us. And this song is Blackout by Bria Skonberg. I don't know the song at all. I just figured, scoot you back some.
Same old dance, void of romance. I've heard it all before. Day in and day out on this merry-go-round, spinning me into the ground, stuck in a sea of apathy, and I can't get out, can't get out. So I black out
I like, hey, this is like a nice little,
off the grid.
just sit back and relax, people, enjoy. We relax and chilling. I'm procrastinating. I'm supposed to be doing this exercise. Let's go. All right, you will need to write a format string which prints out the data using the following syntax. Hello, John Doe. Hello, Johnny Doe.
I'm done with your face.
Your current balance is 53.44.
I'm done with your friend.
Data equals John, comma Doe, 53.44.
I know
Format string equals hello. Wait, what they want us to do again? Hold on, wait a minute. What?
the monopoly I see on TV. Heroes die while all the women cry. Yeah, it's boring to me. Sooner or later, every rock in the river breaks down. Over and over, overexposure is wearing me out, wearing me out. So I black out, get off the grid. Yes, I black out, get off the grid.
I think I know what we got to do, people, but I'm not too sure. But we're going to try to figure it out. I think we have to call. So this should be 0. This should be 1. And this should be 2. But it's not a. Let's just see. If we mess up, we mess up, people. Let's go. What are we waiting for? Let's do it. I think I know. I think I know. Sooner or later. I don't even know the words. I think they got the lyrics on this bad boy. Let me see. You got lyrics on here? I would show it to you guys, but I guess I could go to the browser base, but I don't know. This doesn't matter right now. I don't see no lyrics on here. Black out. All right, let's go. I'm procrastinating. Here we go. Let's do this. Oh, what happened? Should be coming back on, folks. Just give it a second, hopefully. All right, it's back on. Make sure we're still live. Yes, we are. All right. All right, let's do this. Let's stop wasting time. All right. What is it? What does it want? Hello, John Doe. So we don't even have to type in. Wait. Oh, okay, never mind, never mind. I see what we gotta do. I was about to do something completely wrong. I cut myself. I cut myself. I see it's format string, which is calling your format string, which is supposed to have the string calling this mess right here. Okay. Y'all try to get me on that one. Woo! That was close. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Gosh dang it. Hello, John Doe. Oh. Hello, John Doe. So if I just put hello, that data kicks in. It takes care of John and Doe. Uh-huh. Okay, I think I see what I gotta do. So I put hello. I need that space. It takes care of, well, that's there. So let me copy it. Let me highlight. So if I do hello right here, I put that space there. That space wasn't there before. I just put it there. The percent data should then call John and Doe. They're two separate strings because of the comma right here. So with this data being called for the data right here, it calls John and Doe, right? So if I put hello space, the space should account for this space right here, and it should put John Doe, right? And then if I put shoot I just thought about that. Hello, John Doe. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right. Duh. Plus this dot. We'll do a dot space. Your current balance is how am I gonna get that in there though? Let's see if this works first, and then we'll come back and maybe add some stuff to it. Let's see what we get. This song is Run Dem by Makaya McCraven, featuring Joe Armand Jones, Theon Cross, Nubia Garcia, and Soveta Kinch. Gillis Peterson edit. Woo! It's a mouthful. I think I listened to this one last time. Script.py, line 4. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. What did it say? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh! What am I doing? Hold on a second, people. We are lost. All right, let's look this over, people. All right, let's look this over. Hello, John Doe. Hello, plus your current balance is John Doe. Can we call? We can't call in a variable. We can't call in a variable. There we go. I think y'all can hear me now. That's weird. The music just cut off and it's like. All right, let's see what we got, people. Hello, John Doe. Your current balance is 5344. You will need to write a format string which prints out the data using. So I'm confused if they want me to write it here. Which I think this, you know what? Let's do this right here. Let's take this out the way. I need to see something. Run. Okay. That works. That's what I put in there. Oh, snaps. I see what it wants us to do now. I did sort of just see something, so, you know, but I wonder if I put, okay, it takes that away. Hello. S. Oh, shoot. S. Plus. Wait. Plus. Okay, yeah. Your current balance is percent F. What? Oh, I forgot. I took that out. That's right. Percent data. We got it, people. We got it. We got it. Oh, wait, no, we didn't. Gosh dang it. Hold on. We didn't get it all the way because it shouldn't have all those numbers there. So I know we could do one or two things right here. We could either, I ain't gonna lie, I did see this right here. They sort of did give me a tip with this right here. We're not gonna act like I didn't see that, which gave me some weight in it. Boop, 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 boop. But anyways, but they didn't give me a full. But anyways, we do have to fix that right there. So floating point would give us the full, remember, wait, what did it give us? Yeah, it gave us the full 6. Like we remember earlier, we said it's gonna be 6 numbers after that floating. So what we can do is we could just make it a, if we do a string, it'd have the 6 still. So what we have to do is percent dot 2. We only want the 2 because it's the 2 after the decimal. Now we run it and we get what we came for. Oh, wait a minute. We missing something, ain't we? We missing a $sign. Gosh dang it. Can I do that? There we go. We got it, people. We got the right thing now. We got the dollars. We got the dollar sign. We got the right decimal points after. And so we got, hello, John Doe. Your current balance is 53.44. Woo! Took us a second. All right. So again, if you want to follow along with these, just go to learnpython.org. This video was on string formatting. This is, I believe, the 5th. Let's go check. Let's go to the welcome page and find out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our 5th lesson. Now let's go back to this one real quick, and let's do a little quick test at the bottom of that. We did the actual, or we'll do another video for that. We don't want to waste too much time right now. But let's see if we can write it all out again. If we could remember that. So what we did hello. What we got? Bow, 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 bow. Plus, dot, space, and then your current balance is percent dot 2f, right? Space. Wait, we don't need a space right there, do we? We'll put one anyways. Dollar sign. Oh, wait a minute. I put the dollar sign before. After. I'll take an L right there. There we go. That's where it should be. There we go, people. So we figured it out, people. We figured out the string formatting lesson. What's this dude talking about? This is Beneath the Earth by... Oh, boy. Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. This might be harder than his lesson. Endued... All right, give me a second. Nuduzo Makhatini. Nduzo. Nduzo. Duduzo Makhatini. I'm not sure. It's Nduduzo. And I think I got the last name pretty good. Makhatini. So, but anyways, that's it, people. We're just going to listen to the rest of the song, and and maybe just do some discussion about what we just learned. So what we learned is, let's go to the top and go down. Well, I think that's all we really learned, really, isn't it? Okay, so that's what we learned. So what we learned is, let me go back up to the top, is we can call a variable. In this instance, we did it in print statements, but I'm pretty sure in the future we'll be able to call them elsewhere. But we were able to call variables that we created. We started off with the basic string, so my name equals, a name equals. Let's do something different. We created a variable to equal a string, and then when we did a print statement, we called that variable inside of a statement we were making by doing parentheses s. So parentheses s calls a string, parentheses d calls a number, parentheses f calls a floating point number, a parentheses dot, and then a number that you specify, f, calls a floating point number with a certain amount of digits after the floating point. So for example, if there's a floating point of 55.55 or 55.1234, and then you call that variable. Let's start over. So if you say my money equals 55.1234, and then you have print you owe me, and then you put parentheses dot 2 F, and then you say call in that variable, it will only show 55.12 and 3. It won't show the 4. Oh, my bad. It will only show 55.1 and 2, not the 3 and 4. Because remember we said percent dot 2F. The 2 only calls 2 numbers past the digit, or past the decimal point. Then we also learned that we could do hexadecimal. I probably should be scrolling down, showing this while I'm saying it. Here we go. We also learned that percent %x will turn a number into a hex, representing a hex number. And we also figured out that we can call a number with the string, with the percent %s, but it will give us a full precise, the actual precise number, right? So if it's like a number that ends up equaling 55.8888995231599, it will include all of those decimal points afterwards, or at least it'll be precise to include as much as they can. I'm not sure the max that Python allows past the decimal point, but it includes a lot afterwards. Like for instance, right here, or not right there. Oh, that was an example I saw, but yeah. As long as I'm not through with people, I'm just gonna keep talking. But yeah, so that's what we figured out. But if you do a decimal, all right, my camera went off, and that's probably going to be it for us right now. The camera went off, and I think the battery's actually dead this time. So we're going to leave it right there, and let's cover this real quick before we close it. So we also learned that you have a string, and you have what we call a reaper, which is REPR. REPR returns a precise number, whereas the STR will return only the string. REPR will return precise and also a string. So that's what we learned, people. So that's it for this video. Catch me on the next one. EyeTea-Jonny out.